Which injectors are actually good for your 5.9 Cummins common rail? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, 5,579,405 Common Rail Injector 6-pack. First up, we have the 5,579,405 6-pack Common Rail Injectors. Priced at $1,098.96, these injectors caught my attention due to their compatibility with various Cummins engines, including the ISL 8.3 and ISC 8.3 models. This is crucial for maintaining your engine's health and maximizing power output. Plus, they are built to reduce emissions, which is a big bonus if you're concerned about environmental impact. Now, some people complained about the price being on the higher side. Here's the thing though, with injectors, you often get what you pay for. If you want longevity and reliability, investing a bit more can save you headaches down the road. This is perfect for you if you drive a Cummins engine and need dependable performance. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, but for the value, it's a solid pick. Now, if the price of the 5,579,405 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, 6 PCS 445,124,019 injectors. Next, we have the 6 PCS 445,124,019 Common Rail Injectors, priced at $1,034.66. What caught my eye here is the compatibility with engines like the Cummins QSB 4.5 and QSB 6.7. They also have a solid build quality which contributes to their durability. This is important because injectors that wear out quickly can lead to costly repairs and downtime. However, some users have mentioned that installation can be tricky. You might need a professional to get it done correctly. But honestly, if you're not someone who likes to tinker with your engine, this might not be a deal breaker for you, especially considering the performance you'll get in return. This is ideal for those who want a good balance between price and performance. Skip this one if you're looking for top-tier injectors, but for the price point, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for performance enthusiasts. Product number 3, 6 PCS 445,120,177 injectors. Now we're talking about the 6 PCS 445,120,177 Common Rail Injectors, priced at $770.50. That means better combustion and increased horsepower. Plus, they're engineered to withstand high pressures, making them a solid choice for performance builds. You'll notice the difference in power and efficiency, which is crucial for any serious driver. Now, I did see some complaints about noise levels during operation. Some users found them a bit louder than expected. Here's the thing, not everyone will mind this, especially if you're after performance. Just be aware that if you're sensitive to noise, this could be a consideration. This is perfect for you if you want a performance boost without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer quieter operation, but for the price and performance, it's a great option. Finally, if you're still looking for something more reliable, the last product on my list might just be the best fit. Product number 4, 6 PCS Common Rail Fuel Injectors 5,254,261. Last but not least, we have the 6 PCS Common Rail Fuel Injectors 5,254,261, priced at $655.70. They offer excellent atomization, leading to better combustion and reduced emissions. If you're looking to keep your engine running smoothly, these injectors can help. However, some users reported issues with customer support when needing replacements. Now, I'll be real with you, if you ever have a problem, it can be frustrating to deal with poor support. But if you're comfortable with handling a few hiccups, the injectors themselves provide solid performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution without compromising performance. Skip this one if you need top-tier customer service, but for the price, they offer excellent value. To wrap it up, we've looked at some solid options for injectors for your 5.9 Cummins. The 5,579,405 offers reliability at a higher price, while the 445,124,019 injectors strike a balance between cost and performance.